when you lie in your CV to get the job, and now they let you alone. Don't promise that we are gonna make it. They literally let me alone. I don't know what I'm doing. SOS. We have some news.
Yeah, bit of news today. We've traded the van in for a yacht.
The captain.
Captain Uncle Pete here. He's taking us out for the weekend. We're going to crab claw sailing. He sailed all around the world. Says this is the best part right here in Darwin.
And we can't wait to see it.
So we're going to show you what it's like to sail. We're going to figure out what it's like to sail.
Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and officially hit start our adventure sailing in Northern Territory.
Take your finger off that and you hit the top one, which is start.
Alright.
So, bottom one, next one, 10 seconds. Yep, the top one.
Is that like glow plugs or something? Yeah.
That's it.
Woo!
Okay.
Navigation on. Are you feeling ready for this?
Yeah.
So we are learning a little bit about how to sail.
We're sailors now.
I need more coffee for this.
Me too.
Another one. Yep.
My mission. Thank you.
So we're pretty determined to find a crocodile today.
You're a crocodile hunter.
Yeah,
Now you can call me like that.
we haven't seen one yet while we've been up here, but I reckon today's the day.
I hope that yes, but no.
The waters here look beautiful. You can see Darwin behind us there, but these waters are just full of crocs, sharks and stingers, so it's basically a no-go zone.
Which is so sad because it's really hot, but yeah, you cannot go in.
It's so hot up here. It's June and it's like 30 degrees every day still.
Winter.
Yeah, winter.
Okay, put the clutch back on. Right, turn us up back up. Okay, up again.
So around the outside of these?
Yep.
Around the outside, around the outside. Spinnaker's up. Well done. Sailing's not as relaxing as you thought it was
But
it?
it's such a good exercise.
It's the hardest we've had to make you work ever.
Learning so much vocabulary too.
Yeah, this is fun. We're on wind power now. Wind power, free power.
So this one over here is us, and the dark line is pretty much where we're going. We can see other boats around us, and you know something cool? You click there, and then the name, and then the name again. They show you everything about that boat. How cool is this? But this is us.
So it's been a busy morning so far. We've learned a lot. That's port and that's starboard. Who would have thought that, eh? Now you know. Sailing talk, you know. Doing this my whole life. Learned to sail before I learned to work.
The green.
Yeah, mate, I've been sailing before I've been walking.
Someone is speaking Spanish.
Speaking shit, I have no idea what's going on. Bloody awesome! There's the two at the front there, they're just playing on the front of the bow. careful of this one, the wind speed.
Look at this.
She just dived down.
Can you see it?
She doesn't. They just dive straight down, eh? All three of them are in a line. Look, there's one. There's one on the right. They're coming underneath. There he is. They're all around there.
Wow.
That was awesome. They were just riding the front of the bow for a while there.
Wonder if
Yeah, they're all just chilling out there. Too quick for them, wind speed. Dolphins can't keep up. We got your favourite spinnaker back out. Look at the dust we're making now. Look at the dust. We'll get a new speed record for the day, 7 knots. We are hooking. Crab claw for lunch, not far away, is it?
That is like a lot of work.
20 miles from Crab Claw. We're doing 7 knots. Martha's thirsty.
3 hours at this speed.
3 hours at this speed. And we'll be having seafood and beers.
Oh yeah, I was like, get on the beers.
Get on the beers. We've got this bloody pisshead over here. All she wants to do is party.
It's not true. I can see my dinner over there.
Is that a crocodile?
We know.
No crocodiles as of yet.
No, and it's hot, and it's so sad that we can't swim.
I know. A little paradise island over there, but I ain't swimming over there.
10 to 4.
10 degrees to 4.
10 degrees.
Yep. We're on 9 now.
Yeah, so tell me when it's
9-1.
Put the top over.
So that is how we are gonna go over there. We survived!
And we're showered up. We're going into Crab Claw Resort. Taking the tender in. Hopefully we don't tip over on this.
We are gonna show you how is the nightlife.
White man's magic.
Off we go!
Hopefully she's gonna be there when we come.
Yeah. Pray to God the tide doesn't take her.
Safe and sound.
I think that's beer o'clock.
So there's. Do you see the miles over there?
Yeah.
Wait, I never seen one like that.
Look at
It's
him, he's-
small.
I don't know what he is. Is that a baby wallaby? In case you get pissed and going for a midnight swim. Day well and eh?
Makes me feel like in the Caribbean.
It does. Loving it, Pete?
Oof. Full power.
Seafood pasta and seafood land.
The specialité of the house. So if you are gonna drive, don't drink.
Don't drink and drive.
Everything was happiness hasta que, until they said be careful with the crocs. Oh yeah, I don't want to see crocs.
Bit of moon moonlight boating. No RBT out here.
Let's see what is happening here.
Coffee time, start the day. Go up and watch the sunrise.
Beautiful sunrise.
Beautiful. Looks better on the water, doesn't it?
Coffee ready. And action time. This is how we wake up in the middle of the ocean of Northern Territory. How lucky we are. We have a beautiful sunrise. So that is the place where we have few drinks yesterday. Over there. Amazing place. And was a mission, but we crossed our little boat. Yeah.
I've put it on the compass course, so if the wind changes, we're still going to go the same way.
Yeah,
You
righto.
don't have to worry about running the sandbanks and the beaches.
That's good. Caught any fish yet?
Not yet, but soon.
Soon. What are you going to catch? A GT?
This place is full of fish, man. I don't know how you can't catch one. They're everywhere,
Waiting.
man. Everywhere.
I'm just planning how I'm gonna
Yeah, well,
my
when they bite, don't go over.
Yeah, make sure you get pulled overboard.
Oh yeah, no, 100%.
It's been a good morning so far. We'll put the spinnaker up. No other sails. We haven't even had to touch it in like 2 hours. We've just been cruising along at like 5-6 knots. It's been nice.
What you are doing over there?
Box. C1. Once we get around that point, it's gonna get real. Sails coming down, other sails coming up. Gonna be intense.
We are almost in Darwin, so it's pretty cruisy today. It was so fast that we didn't realize that we are already here. I guess this is the end of our expedition.
Well, we still gotta get the boat in. That'll be the hard part.
Guess what? We made it.
Safely moored back up in the marina.
God, so nervous.
It's hot in here, eh? No sea breeze anymore. That was good. That was Saturday there, Sunday back. I think we got back probably like an hour or two quicker today. We just had a bit
Yeah.
extra wind. We learned
Which
a
is
lot.
good.
We
It's
learned
good.
heaps sailing, so that was fun.
A lot of vocabulary and everything. So here we go. Our first week in Northern Territory has been amazing.
It's been good.